Hello and welcome to my Mobile App Development 2 assignment. So for this assignment I decided to go with a portfolio app theme, so you can have a portfolio of all your different types of projects. So yeah, I'll take a look at the wireframes first. So here we have the main screen, which would have all your projects listed out with a picture and the project title. Then we would have a add card menu, so you can enter the project name, description, and a photo, and then you can add it to the main screen, so it'll pop up underneath the Raspberry Pi project there. Then we would have an update and delete projects menu, so there you could click on the delete button or the update button to update or delete. And then finally you'd have a individual project screen where you could read more about the project, look at the description, since the description isn't shown in the home screen. So that's what the wireframes look like. And then there's the app logo, and this is what the app ended up turning out looking like. So I didn't go for the kind of two one beside each other look. I ended up going with just one at a time. It made for the pictures loading better and just easier. Like, you can just scroll down. It's a lot nicer, I thought. So then you could press the plus fab to access the add new project menu, or you could use the kind of list one here to look at the projects on their own. So here's what the add menu looked like. You could have the project name and description, and then you could have choose photo from camera roll, and you could add a new card. And then there was a fab here if you chose not to add a new card, you could go back out of that menu. So then in the individual project screen, you could see the project photo and the title and description of the project. You could also go back and forth between different ones in the list using the arrow buttons here, and you could use X to go back to your home screen and the trash can icon to delete the project you're currently on and move to the next one. That's just independent learning on how I found and how I learned to implement the camera roll into the app. And yeah, I also have my tagged releases and my commit history here. I worked off of the to-do app initially, and then I just built my way up from there. I've also added tests, and take two of this will be showing off the actual app itself rather than just looking at the designs and talking about it. So I'll be back for take two. So welcome to part two of me showing off my app. So we have 3 cards in the list at the moment of 3 different projects. So if we want to add a new card, we could do just that. So we'll call this sample app, and we'll give it some sample text. Then we can choose a photo. So we'll just do this one here only, and add the card. So now we have 4 cards in our app. So if we wanted to look at the projects individually, we could look at them here. So we can look at the Raspberry Pi project, the Smart Home project, and the other ones. So we can click through them, and we can exit back out if we choose not to do anything. But if we choose to start deleting, we can do just that as well. And then we have 2 cards left in the app. So as far as functionality goes, that's about it really. I have also included unit tests. So I have unit tests for the in-memory card repository class. So I have a test for adding a card, getting a card, deleting a card, and finding the size of the card list. So those are all passing at the moment. And yeah, I have my current developed app in the developed part of the designs directory. So all of the current designs are there, as well as the wireframe mockups that were made in Canva. So that's about everything then. Have the README on GitHub for you to have a look through as well, and the independent learning. And yeah, if there's anything else you need on my side, feel free to reach out. Thanks.